Scan for Sovi, your AI bestie. I got your back. Finding the greatest difference between function values using a derivative graph is easy if you apply the fundamental theorem of calculus right now. Let's go. Start by recognizing that the difference between two function values is exactly equal to the definite integral of the derivative over that specific interval. This is the fundamental theorem of calculus. Looking at the graph, the derivative is negative on the interval from 0 to 1, which means the function is decreasing, and the difference there will be a negative value. From 3 to 4, the derivative reaches its highest positive values, making that integral the largest. Option D is our final winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs carefully and trust given graphs. Option D is correct.